Shine, but during the afternoon we're gonna have a little more cloud cover. That's okay, we'll get through it. Hi everybody, no watches, no warnings, and we're headed for a great day, but I want to show you where we are so far in April. Can you believe we're halfway through the month? Yes. So most of the temperatures have been above normal. That's what all the red boxes mean. But then over the weekend we had that unsettled weather and those thunderstorms that brought us some wintry-like conditions below normal temperatures. And then yesterday we got back to above normal temperatures, 74, and we're going to do it again today. In fact, temperatures today are going to be slightly warmer inland, where some spots are going to be flirting with 80s. So here you have it. We'll have 60s over in Ventura County, Oxnard, Thousand Oaks, 70s from the valleys over into the IE, low 70s at the coast and through the deserts. Temperatures in the 70s. Mountain temperatures are going to be close to 60 degrees. Now, I want to point out what's happening in the Pacific Northwest because we have some unsettled weather there. Now, this system will indirectly affect us here in Southern California. No rain expected, unfortunately. We'll get all the rain we can get, but that's not in the cards for us. Instead, we'll have cloud cover as we step into the afternoon. Not enough to block out the sunshine, but I think it'll help and aid for a nice little pop of color around sunset. But watch what happens after midnight. We have more cloud cover, and that's because of that system up to our north. It's not just the clouds that are increasing through tomorrow, it's also the winds. Now check out the winds today. It's breezy along the coast during the afternoon, 10 to 20 miles per hour, and we'll have some gustier conditions throughout the rest of the day for our friends in the deserts. This is 6 p.m. and notice how those gusts are going to be above 30 miles per hour. Now this evening the winds relax, might be a little windy through the I-5 corridor if any high-profile vehicles are traveling through that area. But watch what happens tomorrow afternoon. The winds become stronger through the deserts. Right now, there is a wind advisory in Barstow, and if you are traveling anywhere to the north of that, that's when you're going to have some gusty winds. And tomorrow, I'll keep an eye on this for you. No wind advisories have been issued, but that could change. Now, on the backside of that system, we're going to have Santa Ana winds develop, and that's going to help boost our temperature. So look at the trend. We have temperatures that are near normal today, tomorrow, and then Friday, we start to warm things up. Saturday will be our warmest day, 83 if you live in those Santa Ana wind-prone spots. Then you're going to have to tie down those loose outdoor objects. And notice how Sunday through early next week, the temperatures come down. The reason for that, we have the potential of seeing some light rain early next week. But right now, you don't need the umbrellas. You need the sunglasses and you need the sunscreen. Temperatures are in the upper 60s, low 70s for the coast. The Basin Orange County will have mid to upper 70s. And over the weekend, it is going to be warmer. Next week, things start to cool down. The valleys, the Inland Empire will have 70s. And then as we head into the weekend, we'll have those temperatures in the 80s with the winds picking up. Through the deserts, also watch out for the winds, especially the high desert, 70s and 80s there. And then finally in the mountains, temperatures will be in the 50s for the next few days, and the main thing to watch out for will be the wind. Right now, let's check the drive. Here's why.